Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is an Atlas 10-inch by 36-inch lathe, model QC54. It has a 1.5/8 spindle thread, quick change gearbox, back gears are in good condition. The counter shaft pulley is not original. It has a newer 3/4 horsepower single phase motor on it. Drum switch is only wired for forward direction. Micrometer carriage stop. 5-inch 3-jaw self-centering chuck. Quick change tool post. I have all 5 holders, in addition to a 4-jaw, 6-inch 4-jaw faceplate, some centers, drill chuck, carbide bits. It does have power crossfeed, thread dial. This is a later steady rest. The tailstock has a Morse taper number 2, and I've got a live center with it. The bench is homemade, primarily wood. It is in direct drive now. Back gear. Now it's in back gear. That changes the direction of the feed. Or you can put in neutral, so there's no feed. Thanks for looking.